Hi kids, let's see how to make this Rakhi greeting card. You can remove the Rakhi and tie it for your brother, and then he can keep it in his bedside table or anywhere with this beautiful logos which says you are my super brother, you are my superhero. He can still have this beautiful card. Let's see how to make this Rakhi and the card. What you need is a thick cardboard. If you don't have a thick cardboard, you can stick many papers to get that desired strength. But I will say go for a thick cardboard and then stencil. If you have the circle stencil, it is good. A satin ribbon or thread which you want to have at a Satraki. Stars, if you have a star, this is okay. Otherwise, you can use draw yourself. Sharpies, I have used Sharpie pens, but then you can use sketch pens, acrylic, you can color it with whatever you want. It's your choice. See, what I have done is, it's my daughter who is going to help me out of in this. I have taken the biggest circle in my circle stencil. If you don't have this circle stencil, use a compass to draw the circle. So we are actually first going to do the Captain America's logo. So draw with the first bigger circle. Then move the stencil and try to go for a little bit lesser diameter circle we are going to draw over. Okay, so what I have done is since there are so many circles, I'm just finding out which diameter will fit rightly what I wanted to do. So my daughter will again draw a circle. And you can color inside the circle. You can actually see reference, like you can take the pictures from your you can download from the website, and you can use the picture for your reference, or you can just use your mobile in the nearby and keep it as a reference, like how the logo should be there. Once you are happy with the circle, you have colored it, you can move on to the next circle inside. Move on to the next circle. Leave some space and go for a much lesser circle diameter. Because if you see Captain America's logos, there'll be a red and then white, again red and then blue. I am sticking a glitter star sticker which I have in the middle. If you don't have a star stickers, you can actually draw and color it also. There is no problem in it. But I had the star, so I thought I will use the same one over here. And I am going to color it with the blue color around the stars. You can cut it. Mind it that it will be very difficult. Ask your mother or father or any elders to cut it and give it to you. You can use scissors itself in this board, and you can cut it over there. And you take the desired length of the thread. I am using a satin ribbon. You can use anything you want. You can even add beads and other things what you want. I have glued the Captain America stars over there. Next, I am going for the Superman logo. For Superman logo, first draw 3 cm on the top and then 1.5 cm on the sides. So you can see I'm using the pictures from my mobile. I have a browser. I have opened it and I'm seeing it as a reference and I'm drawing it. So top 3 cm, side 1.5 and another 1.5, and I'm drawing a line in the middle. Use a pencil and use a reference and draw in the middle, and so that you will know where exactly you have to put the side lines, so you can go and directly end it. If you are not able to draw it or other things, ask your parents or someone to take a printout and you can trace it over there and you can draw it, or you can stick the paper also. It's not going to be a problem. You can cut the printout and you can stick it on the board and you can cut it. That is also possible. So here I am doing a quick draw of the Superman logo inside. color the Superman logo. Use red and yellow colors. And cut it with a scissor. And again, mind it, scissors are sharp. Ask an adult to cut it. And I am like the edges, I'm coloring it with the black permanent marker. For Captain America, I used the red Sharpie permanent marker and I colored it. You can also use acrylic paints also, or poster colors. And if you see, what I have done is, I have taken a base card. This is like around 13 centimeter into 13 centimeter. I have again drawn below a Superman logo and a Captain America logo. You know why I have done this? Because once your brother has taken the Rakhi and you have tied the Rakhi for it, still you wanted to see the Superman logo for the card. Okay, so what I'm doing is, I have a distress ink paint, which is squeezed lemonade color, and I'm using a stencil to apply it as like a Superman effect kind of thing. So once I remove the stencil, you will know how it will look. But if you don't have the stencil, you don't have the distress ink, use whatever color you have and you can color it. You can use color pencils and other thing. I'm like making it such a way that there is a splash of sunlight on or a ray of rays coming out from the Superman logo. That is what I'm trying to achieve from here. See, you can see that that is like the Superman, that is you can see that effect which I have given over there. And after doing this, I will be moving on to my Captain America card, the same size card. What I'm doing is, I am using here also, there is a distress oxide, and I'm just coloring it with broken china and brick color. I'm giving a look like, where is it's a splash of blue and red. You know why? It's Captain America and it's US flag color, so it's just the blue and red logo which I have colored in the back. Again, if you have this distress oxide, you can use it, or use colors, crayons, or whatever you have. Once I was happy with the card, and I'm like using my stamps to stamp the sentiment. What I've used is, I'm saying you are my hero for Captain America, and for Superman I'm saying you are my super bro. You are a super bro. So see, I have the stamps and other things, so I'm using it. If you don't have a stamp, use your sketch pen and other thing, and you can write it over there. Once you have done it, exactly keep the Rakhi over on top of it, and then put a use a tape behind it. So exactly on the same location, use it over there. So here is your Rakhi verse card. Give it to your brother. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Please like, share and subscribe. Tata. Bye bye.